Hello everybody, today you will make spaghetti with shrimp piccata. Now the first thing what I gotta do the shrimp with the flour. And the flour I gotta salt and black pepper. And the shrimp, that's what I did. I wash it really good and I butterfly. Now to do like this, we put flour and I put right over here on this dish. Okay, after when I go on the stove, I don't gotta mess up over there. And we do each one the same with the flour. Let's put a gas on the pots over here. And we put a little bit oil, not too much. Just like this, I gotta use butter. Okay, and I got the butter right over here already. Okay, we gotta start with a little garlic. Like this, the shrimp give a good taste when you do with the garlic. Alright, fry the garlic a little bit. Okay, now we start with the shrimp. And we put one by one the shrimp like this. And make sure to put the gas on low heat, okay? Okay, you don't want to burn the shrimp. Because the shrimp, you don't gotta cook it too long. Now this, you don't gotta cook it too long. After we gotta turn on the other side. Because this shrimp, so you cook it too much, it comes too tough and dry. Alright, now let's start the turn on the other side. Look how beautiful color this shrimp. Wait, when I start to eat, it look more good and delicious. Okay, now this is almost done to take it out. I want to put a little black pepper on the top. Okay, it give a nice. I put the salt and black pepper, but I like to have a little bit. Okay, now the shrimp we gotta take it out. And we load the gas and let's take the shrimp out. But after the shrimp, you gotta go back again on the pot. And look at this shrimp, it gotta be so nice and tender. Okay, now we put a little bit more oil, not too much oil now. And we got butter. Okay. Now what I gotta do, melt the butter and we make the sauce for the shrimp and for the pasta. We raise the gas a little bit more. Now we got a caper. The caper, make sure to wash it really good because it's really salty. Wash it with the cold water. Somebody wash the hot water, you cook the caper. Use cold water, really good. Okay, now we got the water boil and we need the salt. I put salt. And we got the pasta right over here. And we put the pasta. At the time the pasta cook, I'm ready with the shrimp, everything. And we give a nice turn for the pasta. Now I want to know what kind of the pasta everybody favor to eat. I eat, spaghetti, but I eat any kind of the pasta. But the spaghetti, it's really good. It go with everything. Okay, now it's time I put a little flake of hot pepper. But if you don't like hot, no use. And we give a little turn of the hot pepper. Now, so you like hot pepper like me, I use oil, baby. And you can use oil, baby. When you go buy US, you want to buy Italian long hot pepper oil, baby. Okay, now we got the lemon. We got a wine. And this sauce, it gotta be so good. Okay, now we put a little bit extra flour, because we want to make the sauce, or you call it gravy, little thick, and we use little flour. And now we give a nice turn, because we gotta make a good sauce. You see, now you make a little thick now. Now, so you want, on this, you can use water, chicken stock, or the water for the pasta. But what I did, I was cleaning my shrimp in the shell. The shrimp, I was making fish stock. And this is the fish stock for the shell. And you gotta put inside, when you do with the shell, onion, I put piece of garlic, carrots, and celery. After you leave it boil for 1 hour and a half, and you drain, and this is the fish stock. And we started that much, but some of the more, after when I do the pasta, we can use more. Okay, now we give a little parsley, and we give a little green. This parsley, it's from my garden. Look at that. Okay, now we leave it boil this nice. After, let's make sure the pasta, okay? Okay, look there. It's nice, really nice. Now the pasta gotta cook a little more. Okay, now the pasta is almost done, but before the pasta I put inside over here, I gotta put the shrimp in first. I wanted the shrimp to give a nice taste with all the gravy and the sauce over here. And we leave it boil together. And look at the shrimp, how beautiful look. Like I said, do not leave it cook too long. You see, it look really, really good. Now we leave it stay like 1 minute, the shrimp, and we take the pasta and we put it right inside over here with the shrimp. Now it's a time to put the pasta. It's still a little bit al dente, but I want to cook it together with the shrimp. Look beautiful. Now let's put it back over here on the stove with the gas on. And let's make a nice turn. This here gotta be nice creamy. Look at that. Look how beautiful it look. And we give a little flap. Okay, now we got more fish stock over here, and we make a little bit more. Oh, now it look beautiful, nice. And we leave it cook a little bit more, a little more parsley on the top, and make it nice. Look at this. And now we give it nice. Okay. Let's bring on the table. I want to taste, because this is gonna be delicious. Okay. Oh, look at the shrimp. The shrimp, it looks so good. Look at that. We give a little bit on the top. Oh. Good. The first thing, I want to test the shrimp. It's so good, really good. Nice, juicy, creamy, everything. Really delicious. Thank you very much for look at this video, and make sure you make and you let me know. Okay, come out really good, so you do the same like I did. Thank you very much, and we see next time.